Well, I made a 4 video because I probably need to use the right word. This is a conic in both so in matter of fact, if you see, if I go all the way to the end, is 30, and if I'm going down is 50. So it's a conic. So everything, what I try to say, everything is going exactly in the center, not the threading. Not the training is with this holding. So, but I think the proper word is conic. So, and by the way, it's very dangerous because if this is not tied correctly, you can break your drill bits. Happened me before, so. Anyway, I just want to point on that, and remember, before to start working, you have to use a little mallet, good mallet, and open all this, open the little chuck all the way, and just, you know, knock it in a little bit, and always use your goggles and, you know, the right position, because let me show you up there. It's a big hole that make one of the bits coming out of it. So anyway, it's very dangerous, 45,000 RPM. So anyway, I just want to point on that, and well, thank you for watching. $119 plus $17 from large flat rate USPS priority mail to the continental US. Thank you.